amazing. Ha, we match. I wasn't even paying attention. Good morning from the ridge.
It's a beautiful morning.
It is, and we're getting started earlier than normal. Well, it would have been even earlier, but yeah, gardening, da-da-da.
Yeah,
but,
sure.
y'all, if by now you've seen the live, we are doing our next huge project.
Yeah.
It's really big, and it's really exciting.
I can't wait to see what they think the guesses are.
Yeah, I don't know either, because I'm thinking 3 different things that it could be, but it's something we've needed for a long time. So right now we're just gonna call it the big project. We kind of have an idea what we're doing.
Yeah, no, we don't.
No, actually we don't. We jumped on the mill. Long story short, he didn't want to do it. I said, let's just give it one more try, baby. And we had a successful day on the mill.
We did. I think we only pulled
2.
2 logs. No, we only pulled 1 actually.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we were able to mill all the 4x4s, true 4x4s,
yeah,
for what we're gonna need for this project. We're gonna utilize this foundation. It's sitting on footers and it's solid, ain't going nowhere, as part of the structure. So
yeah,
I don't know.
This
Very
overall dimension is...
We're talking tiny house comparable, if not larger.
Well, bigger actually than
Yeah.
the tiny house, because it's gonna be...
Don't give it away.
Just dimensions?
No!
I tried, y'all. I tried to tell you what it was, and she said no.
Not yet, but we're gonna get started. We gotta lay out some lines. The first part's probably gonna be boring, so we'll just probably zip through it, but I'm excited but nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, but...
I don't know why you're nervous.
Well, we're twinsing today. Ha.
Gosh, she's gorgeous. What up, girl?
Look at that. Oh. Well, first snag of the day. The backhoe's out. What a way to start a project, guys. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna go find the shovels. And fortunately, we just built our great little garden shed, so I know where the shovels are. Yeah, it's like booed.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. I mean, whoever built this rock wall, dead nuts. Centered. Level. Perfect. Not mad at all. Helps us have a good starting point. Well, here goes our first post for the big project. I'm glad we got that ultra quiet. They're heavy. I suppose they can help. Okay, not enough juice. What was your waiting dance?
So why we wait?
We can't nail stakes into this ground because of all the rock. So we gotta do the next best thing.
That's good enough for now. We need to pull our tape to set this at our bottom at the right.
Whew. Here's hot.
So we need to know that though when we do that, because now that needs to be, we need to go a ½ inch that way. I mean, if we just took...
No, it'll just go to the edge of the...
I can get a half inch. I just need to clear this out.
It actually won't, babe, because the boards are all going to be cut at the exact same length.
Just work with me, please.
Okay.
I mean, we'll be able to adjust a little bit, but that gets us right there.
Okay.
That's our 1.5 inches. Double check this level. Remember, we might have to come. Look at that level. Do we need to bring it up some?
I'm gonna have to go get a headband. Holy hotness. Okay. Yay! Our cornerstone has been set. I need to go get,
This either makes everything good or everything bad.
and it's perfect. I just couldn't do it.
Huh?
So I couldn't do it, I had to change. I tried being all construction worker and stuff, and I don't know how y'all do it. Blue jeans? Nah. Shirts? Nah. Boots? Nah. Yeah, no.
Yeah. We're just gonna have to do this as we go. If we make that flush, I mean, we're still gonna have to go left and right and all that, but
Yeah, it seemed like it come off of this just a little bit. We may want to tamp that bottom in. That's right there, babe. It's perfect. It's on the foundation. Oh, back to the farting shoes.
you come. Oh! Good thing. Hit it one more.
I think it's off a 16th. Here. There we go.
This big project might be your building by yourself project. Keep it up, lady. Shoot nails in this thing.
Let me go find some block. Or can you reach that block?
I can reach you going to the train station.
I love you.
I love you. Hope that thing's square. It doesn't look squared off. We're gonna have to do some squaring up. We do things a little different around here.
Eight foot from the edge of the block.
Yeah. We're gonna be close. We'll have to make adjustments. Close.
Where's the shovel? I don't know. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. We did mention we don't know what we're doing, right?
I think we'll be fine. We'll adjust. We need it just there stable.
Ha! Perfect.
We can do the final adjustment when we get ready to do the rim joist. I mean, something ain't right. Well, we moved it and then didn't re-level it. So, because that thing is not level.
Spacing is good though. Oh my gosh. Oh, Well, guys, we're getting rained out. Frustrating because you're finally starting to see progress. And the weather is not cooperating, so I don't know if it's going to be done in time for us to get back out here and work some more today. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know, but if so, we'll be back out. If not, we will see you in the morning. We are back at it again this morning, guys. We got rained out and we're fighting rain because literally as we went to turn this on, it's starting to come down.
It's a mist. It ain't gonna stop us this time.
No.
Not right now.
We need to keep working.
Yeah.
So.
We did some precautionaries with the saw.
Yep.
And went ahead and put the awning over it. So we're gonna go ahead and start this other side so that we'll be able to get our first 18-foot runners, right?
Okay, yeah.
It sounds good in our head, guys.
I'm just gonna put it on time lapse because it takes us forever.
Well, that rain shower paused things for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes,
Yeah.
20 minutes.
We might be able to get another post up
But I
before
mean-
it rains again.
Now it's showing blue skies for a while, so maybe we can make some progress.
Hey, one post at a time. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Through another rainstorm. The sun's out, it is still raining, but we're hoping that we have a couple hours now without any rain. Oh, jeez.
Okay, make sure that bottom doesn't kick out, because it's not. Oh, like that.
I can't really do much about it though, babe.
That bottom needs knocked towards the front. Yeah, that way. Yeah, just a little bit more, maybe.
Oh gosh.
Small steps. What are you trying to do?
I know, it's unconventional. You don't have to remind us. We're probably doing it all wrong, but in the end, it will work. Just wait. Walk it up, walk it up. Oh, I need to go get my bracelet.
They're close. Close enough to get things set.
Okay, the rain stopped again. You're gonna run out of battery, guys. I'm gonna have to like go swap that out. Okay. That's fine. Okay. It's gonna be under a deck board. Oh, we gotta go over here.
Yep.
Ooh, that humidity just smacked me right in the face. Friggin' more rain. And the sun is shining, like, so over the rain. Okay. It'll be really good. Hunt's Brothers Pizza. Okay, so we are still working, even though it's kind of raining. So we've spent about an hour squaring this thing up, pulling diagonals and getting it exactly within like 1/8 of an inch square. So got that done. We didn't bring you guys along with us for that because it's just tedious back and forth. But we're getting ready to set another post.
You got the light. You like it there?
Yep.
So let's make it 48. We should be just below the top. I was like, why did that drop? We should have adjusted that.
That's okay. Mallet. Oh, I'm sorry. Down. 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 Right there.
Sorry, you made me nervous. You had a whole board down here and you want to put that thing in my thumb? I love you and I trust you.
So.
No, we can't nail that in anyway.
Up just a little bit. Babe. He's behind the camera making faces at me. We just had supper. It was a pizza night. And no, not a homemade. But we've been working all day and we're not done yet. We're exhausted, but we are loving the lower temperatures right now. So we're just going to keep plugging away until we don't have enough light. But we do have floodlights, don't we, baby?
I don't know where they're at.
I do.
I got wood. Whack it. Yeah. Whack it. Whack it. Well, good. Oh, yeah. Get it. All right, hold up. No, stop.
It felt good.
Something's gonna feel good. You hit my hand. We're gonna wrestle in the mud, lady.
Do it, Tara, because I want to see that. And on film.
You'll be getting it too. Guilty by association for letting it happen. You done did it. Oh, good.
Now you just took it out.
I know. I like it.
Whack-a-mole. 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 This feels amazing. Whose face am I hitting? Bam!
Wow, is it dead nuts in the middle, or is it just pretty good?
No. Go down just... Oh, wrong way. Up.
I should always do the opposite of what she said. Yep.
All right, guys. Well, baby, come say goodbye to the fine people.
Bye, Felicia's.
We couldn't get...
fine peoples.
For all the rain and everything that we had going on,
Yeah.
I'm not mad at the progress. Like, it's been slow.
Well, we're not doing it the most typical traditional way either.
We done lost our life.
We worked ourselves right out of daylight, guys. Yeah, it's taken a little bit longer, but you know what? We've gotten a lot more done than we thought we would. In between rain showers and putting tools up, bringing them back out, put them up, bring them back out. So,
and we have a lot more work to do on the bracing of the foundation, guys. We're not just leaving it like this. So don't blow us up in the comments until you see everything we're gonna do. This was just the method that...
Blow it up. You're gonna blow it up anyways. Do what you want. Guess what? This is how we're doing it. We didn't ask nobody's, hey, how do you build this? We just said, hey, this is how we're gonna do it. So,
yeah.
And y'all know how we roll, right? We're gonna just make up our own method and go with it.
But I mean, it's coming out square,
Yeah.
plumb.
Yeah. Right now, pulling corner to corner. Well, but I mean, there shouldn't be anything that changes it, right?
It'll slow.
Our corner to corner is spot on, perfect square. Not even an 1/8 of an inch off. So.
Yeah. So the base platform, I don't even know if we've told you guys. You probably heard it as we've been talking, but it's 20 foot wide and 24 foot long.
Yeah. Yep.
So we have a lot more to work on, but
it is.
It's such a cool thing to see the progress, and it already is just making us so excited. So we'll get back up in the morning and we will get back at it again.
Yep, got a couple things to finish up, but it's too dark to film. And then we'll get tools put away for overnight rain. And...
Yep. And happy Father's Day to all of our amazing subscribers and viewers out there. This will be our last video before Father's Day. So I want to make sure you all have a very, very happy Father's Day.
Absolutely. Appreciate everybody.
Mom's doing double duty.
Yes, and for moms doing double duty. Been there, done that. For sure. So, all right, guys, we will catch you on the next one. Stay tuned because this is just the beginning. Just wait. So, peace out from the ridge.
See you guys.